Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 331 different strategies with 109 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 229 of the other strategies and indicators that we have put it up against. Every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,024 indicators with 428 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says Aroon trading strategy tested free TradingView indicator. And so we're going to put this to the test, see what we can get out of this strategy. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the indicators we have on screen at the moment. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Aroon indicator. This one right here, it's a TradingView built-in indicator, so it's under the technicals here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings. And under the length right here, I'm going to go ahead and change that to 24, and then jump into the styles. And this is optional, but what I do is the Aroon up, I turn to green, and the Aroon down, I turn to red. That way you just have the classic up is green and down is red type format. And click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be just a standard EMA, exponential moving average. Again, TradingView built-in indicator. It is the moving average exponential right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen and jump into the settings of this one as well. Under the inputs, we're going to change that to 200 length. Then under the styles, what I did was I just bumped up the line weight a little bit. Totally optional, up to you how you customize it as far as the style goes. And then the last indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the ATR bands indicator. It'll be this one right here. Just go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And this one stays completely on default. Don't have to change anything on that. And so what we're looking for a short trade is, first and foremost, we are looking for price action to be trading below the moving average, below the blue line, which was the exponential 200 period exponential moving average. And while it's trading below the moving average, what we are looking for is the red line of the Aroon to cross up above the green line of the Aroon. And you can see that we have the green line here and the red line here. And you can see that we get that cross to the upside right here. That is supposedly an indication of strength to the downside. And so at that point, that would be our signal to enter into a short. I'm going to put our trade right here. I'm going to put our stop just right at the ATR band, this green ATR band right here. And the take profit is going to be at the red ATR band right there. Just almost at a 1-to-1 risk to reward. And so let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see with just a little bit of time there, we make a nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we're looking for, again, is the price action to be trading above the moving average. And so we want price to be above that blue line. And then at the same time, we want the Aroon green line this time to cross up above the Aroon red line, like it does right here. And then once again, that will be our signal to enter into a long. I'm going to put our trade right there. I'm going to put our stop right at the lower red ATR band this time. And we're going to put our take profit right at the upper green ATR band. And so again, really close to a 1-to-1 risk reward. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And again, a really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 23 winning trades and 27 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 46% win rate. With the 1-to-1 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,800. On the losing side, again, you would have been risking $600 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $16,200 for an overall loss of $2,400 altogether. So definitely not the best strategy on the 5-minute time frame. Possibly on a higher time frame, we might revisit this one and see what we can do on that one. Not really sure at the moment. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator, though. We did 44 trades during the same period of time. We had 35 winning trades and 9 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 86% win rate. With the looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $21,000 altogether. On the losing side, you'd have lost $10,800, and that would have given you an overall gain of $10,200 in profit. So definitely better results from the Academy of Forex indicator. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. And recently we've developed a crypto scalping strategy. You can see a nice list of the trades that we have taken using that strategy here on screen. Now, if you're interested in viewing that video, click the link up in the corner now, and it'll take you to that video. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list for now and move on to the next video from here.